In this video, I'll show you how to add header background images in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do this, we need to head over to the pages that we have created in our WordPress right here. Now, in here, you can just head over and then choose the pages that you have on this list. So for this one, I'll head over and then just edit out the page that I have with Elementor. So you can actually head over and edit this. Click on this Edit with Elementor right here. And then once you have done that, it will actually redirect you to the Elementor page. So make sure to also install the Elementor plugin that you can see on your plugin store or WordPress. So I have in here my Elementor, and the actual settings for my Elementor right now is actually on the Elementor full width. If you haven't got that yet, click on the settings. And in here, when you see your settings, you can scroll down and you can see this page layout right here. Head over to Elementor full width, and you should be able to have that. As you can see, this will load just like this one. Now, once it's done loading, you can see in here my actual header. So you can click on the header that you have in here, Now you can also notice that I have this plus icon right here on my header. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and click on this add image and then just paste it right here. As you can see, it's been added, but as of right now, the resolution is large. So let's make this smaller. So you can choose in here a lot of things or a lot of sizes that you can choose from for this one. This one is square. You can choose which ones actually is for you. But once you head over and then click on it, it should be able to work well for you. So on this page right here, let's choose an image. So let's choose in here a background image. For example, let's choose this one. Then click on select. As you can see, this will be added right here. Now, once you have done that, you can choose in here the size. As you can see, it has become smaller right here. You can also make this smaller as well, just like that in here. And then as you have done that, you can head over again to your style and you can choose the alignment or the hover over for this one. You can make this smaller or bigger in this right here, which is actually quite pinpoint. So you can also choose the advanced right here, and you can change the default as well as align cell. And in here, you can see in here the background. You can choose the background right here. You can also choose in here on the hover whenever you have a background for this one. So in here, you can also choose the content, which is this one as well. If you don't want it to be square, you need to head over and then just resize it or crop it into a rectangle size in order to fit this particular theme. Once you have done that, you can head over and edit out this particular image as well. Now you can head over in here. You can click on this site settings as well. And then once you have clicked on that site settings, you should be able to see this once. So there's a lot of things that you can do as well as this background itself. Now you can choose the background type for this one. And once you have made this possible, it will be added as a background image. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well or just subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.